Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Conscience stuns with shocking revelation. During Monday's episode of Sim Soul Sessions, the Brockoffiabat DJ revealed that following the death of his brother Delos by suicide back in 2016, he also considered ending his own life. However, he was kept grounded by his wife.
Through all of this thing, and the highs and the lows and the ups and the downs, she was the constant, the person where when me feel like I follow behind Delos. She had the person where, you know what I mean, when we look at left and right, I'm gonna see a friend. She did it.
He shared that 2016 was one of the worst periods of his life.
Coolest youth. I'm just live him life. You know, you don't need nothing until him need something for him daughter. I'm just cooling. And then here it comes, the best year just become the worst year ever.
If you or someone you know is struggling with thoughts of suicide, please contact the Mental Health and Suicide Prevention Helpline at 888 New Life. That is 888-639-5433. A homecoming fit for a queen. Cheers and applause echoed through Norman Manley International Airport as the sprint legend Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce entered the building, marking her return on home soil following her 17th World Athletics Championships medal at the recently concluded Games in Japan, where she claimed silver in the 4x100 meter relay. Grace Kennedy, sponsor of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, welcomed the Queen home with a surprise celebration, joined by her mother, Maxine Simpson, and the Minister of Sport, Olivia Grange. Speaking at the event, the Olympian expressed gratitude and pride, having waved the Jamaican flag on the global stage over the years.
I would say when I walked off the track, I went yesterday? Sunday night, in the pouring rain, I can actually say I emptied the cup. Oh. So I'm grateful. So thank you.
She also shared her joy at competing alongside Jamaica's rising athletes while offering words of encouragement.
To be able to share the moment with upcoming queens is also remarkable, because I remember in 2007 when I started in Osaka, I was so intimidated by all the other athletes, you know, and I don't think it's any fault of theirs, it's just how I looked at myself at that time. So I'm hoping that with me being there in that moment, that they will feel inspired to understand that there's so much more for them to achieve, and they only have to go for it.
Toasting her accomplishment on and off the track, Minister Grange described Fraser-Pryce as one of the greatest athletes the world has ever seen.
There might be no universal agreement on who is the greatest woman sprinter in history, but as far as we are all concerned, right, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is not only the best woman sprinter Jamaica has produced, but is the best the world has seen.
Earlier this year, the Pocket Rocket announced that this will be her final World Athletics Championships. We love you, Shelly. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.